This is Dan at Cardboard Hobby. We are cracking 2023 Hit Parade Football Lite Edition 3-box eBay break. February 2nd, 2024. I'm going to read off eBay usernames with team names. We got Tigress Stiff 90210 with the Panthers, Broncos, Buccaneers, Titans, Steelers, and the Seahawks. We got Philo underscore 2012 with the Texans, Patriots, and the Bills. Joey JAX806 with the Bears. DONALMAXWEL-4 with the Jaguars and the Vikings. SMMW1974 with the Cardinals. We got JOHWHEATO0 with the Redskins. Clone Hater with the Lions, Jets, Chargers, and the Dolphins. DY Barrow underscore 0 with the Ravens. Orange Moogs with the Raiders and the Giants. GVSU333 with the Saints. DANCO underscore 8154 with the 49ers. Salty Sports 2020 with the Eagles. RYSOL underscore 36 with the Rams. COERERI underscore M6YAZ1G with the Chiefs. LeBron 23 Pronk 48 with the Browns. SSJ4 GOKU underscore BJ with the Bengals. Fisher's Collectibles with the Colts. COERERI underscore M6YAZ1G also with the Packers. And we got DAKATTA-18 with the Cowboys and the Falcons. That is your full lineup. Okay. We've got our 3 boxes. 1, 2, 3. 2023 Hit Parade Football Light Edition Series 4. Box number 56 out of 350 here. Let's get our first box open. Love the Hit Parade products. Plastic coming off. Box number 1. Crack the seals. All right, guys. Box number 1. Hit number 1 coming at you. 1 hit per box. Here we go. Good luck, everybody. First hit. First hit we've got how about the Dolphins? A Jason Taylor. Sensational Signatures Auto. Gorgeous card there. Ooh, 5 out of 10. 5 out of 10 there, too. Low numbered. Very nice hit for the Dolphins. Jason Taylor. That's out of 2022 Prism. 5 out of 10, too. Low numbered. Very, very nice. Very, very nice hit there for your Dolphins. Gorgeous Jason Taylor Auto. Dolphins strike first. Your Dolphins owned by Clone Hater. Congrats. Very nice hit. Jason Taylor. 5 out of 10, too. That's really low numbered. Very nice hit. Out of Prism. Very nice. All right. Box number 1 down. Box number 2. 112 out of 350. Here we go. Plastic coming off. Box number 2. Cracking the seal. All right, guys, here we go. Box number 2, hit number 2. We've got... How about it for your Raiders? Derek Carr. 8 out of 15. I was trying to read the 8 out of 15. Derek Carr auto. Limited ink. 2022 Limited Football. Very nice hit for the Raiders. Derek Carr for your Raiders. Very, very nice hit there. Beautiful auto. The Raiders on the board. Your Raiders owned by Orange Moogs. Congrats. Very nice hit. Derek Carr. 8 out of 15. Limited ink auto. Very nice hit. Raiders. All right. Box number 3. Box number 170 out of 350. Plastic coming off. Cracking the seal. Here we go, guys. Good luck, everybody. Box number 3. Hit number 3 coming at you. Here we go. We've got Mr. Geno Smith The Jets, 79 out of 100 rookie field plates. At a 2013 Prominence Football, Geno Smith auto. Get the camera to focus in here. Card to, there we go. 79 out of 100. Come on, camera. There we go. 79 out of 100. Geno Smith, rookie auto. Jets, Jets striking last. And Jets owned by Clone Hater. Congrats. Very nice. Geno Smith, rookie auto. 79 out of 100 out of Prominence Football. Let's run back through our hits, guys. Got the Geno Smith rookie auto. 79 out of 100. 2013 Prominence. Very nice hit for your Jets Jets. We also had your Derek Carr. 8 out of 15. Very low numbered auto. Raiders. Limited ink. Very, very nice hit for the Raiders. And we started with Jason Taylor. Sensational signatures auto out of Prism for your Dolphins. Also low numbered. 5 out of 10. 5 out of 10. Very, very nice hit there as well. I want to thank everyone so much for breaking, guys. Really, really do appreciate it. Once again, cardboardhobby.com, Dugan1640 on eBay, guys. We do have breaks filling on our website. Don't miss out on those. Teams and spots are selling quickly. I'll be sticking around, of course, if anybody has any questions, guys. Thank you so much again for your support, please. Be smart, be safe out there.